Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Monday.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab a clean spreadsheet of your board's data for reporting, sharing with stakeholders, or doing deeper analysis outside the platform. First, open the specific board you want to export. In our example, that's a board used for managing trials, but the process is identical for any board. Make sure you're on the main table view so you can see the items and columns you expect to include. Now head to the top right corner of the board and open the board menu. This is the three-dot icon that houses additional tools and settings. Click it to reveal more options, then look for the section labeled More Actions. This is where Monday.com keeps utility features that affect the board as a whole. From the More Actions list, choose Export Board to Excel. This tells Monday.com to package the board's data into a downloadable file. When you select it, you'll see a confirmation prompt. Click Export to proceed. That's the final click you need. Monday.com will take it from there. You'll see a brief notification while the file is being prepared. Depending on the size of your board and your connection, this may take a few moments. Once it's ready, your browser will download the Excel file, usually to your default downloads folder, with a file name that includes the board's name and the date for easy tracking. A few helpful notes as you work with the export. The file contains your items, groups, and column values as text and numbers organized into spreadsheet columns. Visual elements like colors are translated into text labels, so a status color becomes the status name. Attachments, updates, activity logs, and dashboards aren't included in the Excel export. Subitems, if used, are typically included and shown in relation to their parent items. If you're using filters or hiding columns in a view, remember that exports focus on the board's underlying data. Double check the sheet to confirm it reflects what you need. If you don't see the export board to Excel option, you may need additional permissions, or your account admin may have restricted exports. In that case, reach out to your workspace admin to enable it. And because exports can contain sensitive information, store and share the file securely. That's all there is to it. Open your board, use the More Actions menu, choose Export Board to Excel, and confirm with Export. Simple, consistent, and perfect for building reports or archiving your data.